Whoa, hey friends, I'm at Launch Orlando. My first time ever coming here, so we're gonna.
Whoa!
Whoa! So we're gonna go inside and check out everything this place has to offer. I've heard many good things, so I'm super excited. So if you guys are ready, let's go have some fun. So when you guys come here, there's obviously a really cool bowling alley here. One of the many things that this place has to offer. And it looks like they got a bar and many, many other things we're gonna check out. But yeah, the first thing we're doing is bowling, apparently. Nothing wrong with that. You guys see me?
Nope. Good try, good try.
Okay, so we're mid-game. We're pretty much tied up. And it's been a good game. I feel like when you're tied up like this, it's more fun, you know?
It is, but I'm starting to suck.
You're starting to what?
Suck.
He's kidding. He's a professional.
She's going from suck to blow, sir.
Oh. How have you been doing?
I started out strong and went downhill real quick.
Oh. We did pretty good. There's our score. We did good. Good game. Good game.
Yeah, good game because you won.
I lost. I'm okay with it.
We are all winners in my book.
All three of us together scored a perfect game.
Yeah. Hey,
Come on, then I'll dance and I'll
this is awesome. This is awesome. Hey. Cassie, what are you about to do?
I'm about to zip line. I'm about to do anything
Oh,
you
she
tell me
is
to do,
ready.
to be honest with you. Who's holding my bag?
I'll hold the bag, but you gotta wear the hat.
I have to wear the hat. It's a requirement.
Alright, Cassie's about to go. I hope she screams. I think you were supposed to go over there. DJ Fabioso. Hey.
Let's go like boys, I know y'all got some dance moves. Especially him right there. Let's go!
Guys, Josh is working. Look at Josh. Josh.
Congratulations to our flexible limbo people. If you are new here,
you held the pole so well.
I did. I'm good at doing that. Party grid. Come on. Take it to the front. Come on. Let me see you to the front. I'm shaking it. And then we take it to the back. I'm shaking the scene. And then we take it to the left. And then we take it to the right. And then we go to step. Now 1, 2, 3, step. So, if you know how to party, you know how to dance. Let me see you just do it like this. Come on.
I'm dying. Slowly but surely, I'm dying.
So we have decided, since we're in our 30s here, we're just a little bit too old for this. We're hyperventilating, we're sweating, we're resting, we're landing, but it's a good time.
I just hurt my nuts.
Oh, that's not good. And then Cassie's like, let's do laser tag. It looks like Josh is totally up for it.
Totally up for what?
For laser.
Yeah.
What do you think about this place so
You know,
far?
honestly, I'm kind of like loving it. I'm too fat for trampolining though. I'll be 100% honest, but it was a lot of fun.
It is fun.
But I think for like kids, I mean, there's tons of kids here, and I think for kids, if you give them, you know, a game card and just let them burn off some energy while mom and dad have a couple drinks, because there is a bar. I think it'd be a
Perfect
fun place
spot,
to do.
yeah.
Yeah, no, it's like a nice, fun family place.
I agree.
I don't basketball, but the basketball does look pretty cool.
I agree.
Yeah,
Well
no,
said.
it's-
What about you? What do you think about this place?
I think that I'm too old, but I love it.
Yeah.
It makes me feel young, and that's
Plus, we get to watch Bob Ross.
Oh,
yeah.
my God! You know his place comes in.
So apparently they have an obstacle course, and Cassie is very determined to try this out.
I just walked all the way through to the swing. That's all I want.
On those.
See on the swing?
There you go. You just gotta climb on.
I just want the swing. I want nothing else on
Just don't run into any walls.
Never get up on this, ever.
Maybe you need. Oh, she's determined. We are definitely gonna fill this in the morning.
A lot of tequila tomorrow will make me feel better. I did it.
I think
Can we,
it's between
take
that
a
one.
moment for the fact that I did it.
I'm shocked I didn't do an outro, but anyways, yeah, this place was so much fun. Josh and Cassie and we had a blast. I would definitely go back. I love the bowling. The trampoline stuff was, wow, it's a great workout, but a lot of fun. Overall, 10 out of 10. You guys got to check out Launch. Absolutely a great time. Thanks for watching. Big thanks to DJ Fab for chilling with us. You're awesome as always. But anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, this is Forever. See you later.